Hello everybody and welcome to Trackr. The Trackr is a peer-to-peer real-time geolocation tracking Android application developed by me, Amay Mishra, and my friend Debargha Bhattacharjee. So let's take a tour into how Trackr does what it does. I would assume that you have already downloaded the application. If not, then you can head down in the description and follow the link. Let us start by creating a new user for our application. Let's give this new user a mundane name like new user. Also, let's give him a generic phone number and a generic password. Now comes the important part. You must be careful so that you click the create account button once and once only. It may take up to 8 seconds to actually create an account, so please be patient and do not click it twice until an error message actually pops up. Now let's log in with the new user that we just created. The key point here is, well, you must remember the password. And once again, it would be highly appreciated if you click the login button just once. Here is the first activity of the application. Here you can perform basic tasks which we will cover later. Here you can look at your user details. The first option is main menu, which is actually the same activity. The second is your permission manager, where you have friend list, where you can track all those people who you have given permission to track you. The next bar is the search bar. Well, it takes two to tango. So let's go ahead and create a new user here. I'll skip the process because you already know it. We will now go ahead and give the first user the permission to track the second user. This can be accomplished by searching for him, and then when his name comes up, we can long press on his name to add him to our friend list. Now the previous user can successfully track the new user or the second user. Now to revoke the permission, you can select him on the friend list and press the change button. Now you can see his status is denied. However, his name is still on the list to facilitate ease of access. Now we can change the status back to allowed so that he can track us. Now we head back to the main activity and select a power mode. The power mode dictates how much battery the application will use. We now enable tracking. Now remember to do this when you're outdoors under an open sky, or else you will get a location not available error. Even then, it may take up to 60 seconds to acquire a GPS fix. Meanwhile, we used another device to log on with the first user. As you can see, the online friends list, which was earlier empty, has now data in it. You can go on and select this friend and click the track button. We see here that a map opens up with a marker on it. Believe me or not, this marker is on the exact location as your friend was when he enabled tracking. Well, thank you for checking out our application. I would appreciate it if you would leave your reviews with us and any other suggestions you might want to extend. Thank you.